student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths. My name is Varakkumar. Today we are going to learn real numbers Euclid division lemma student. See here what it is. So very important student, using Euclid division lemma or Euclid division algorithm you have to find the HCF of given two positive integers. Very important student for 1 mark or 2 marks for examination point of view. So see what is Euclid division lemma. So before that student, you have to understand about these two words, what is lemma and what is algorithm. So lemma and what is algorithm. So a lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove the other statement student. A lemma is a proven statement. We need not to prove it, already it is proven. So it is used to prove the other statements. This is called the lemma. But algorithm is a sequence of steps involved to solve the problem. So that you have to remember student. Algorithm is a sequence of steps which is involved to solve a problem. So but lemma is a proven statement. It is used to prove the other statements. That is the difference between these two words. Lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove the other statements. So next, algorithm is a sequence of steps so involved to solve the problem. So these two you have to remember students. Sometimes we say Euclid's division lemma and sometimes we say Euclid's division algorithm. So to solve the problem we use the word algorithm student. So for the statement we use lemma statement. We use lemma, that you have to remember student. When we say the statement we use the word lemma. When we solve the problems we use the word algorithm. So like this here, using Euclid's division algorithm, find the HCF of, so he gives any two positive integers. But for the statements, write Euclid's division lemma. We have to write the statement then. So that is the difference between these two words student. You have to remember these two, lemma and algorithm. Now we have to discuss what is the statement of Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma student, it is based upon the division rule. Just we know division rule. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So based upon, so what is the division rule student? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is the division rule. This Euclid's division lemma based on the division rule. So see student what it is, Euclid's division lemma. Student, this is the statement of Euclid's division lemma. See here what it is. If small a and b are any two positive integers, then there exist two more positive integers q and r, such that a is equal to b into q plus r. So here the condition is 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. So see student, r is a remainder student. See here, if b divides a, then r is equal to 0, otherwise r lies in between 0 and b. This is the condition. So this is the statement of Euclid's division lemma student. If small a and b are any two positive integers, then there exist two more positive integers q and r, such that a is equal to b into q plus r. Here the condition is 0 is less than or equal to r is less than b. So if b divides a, then r is equal to 0, otherwise r lies in between 0 and b. So this is the statement of Euclid's division lemma student. So it is based on the division rule. So just see here student, what is division rule. So first already you know the division rule. Suppose let it is example number 1. So I am dividing 20 divided by 3 student. 20 divided by 3. So let here a is equal to 20 student, a is equal to 20 and b is equal to 3. A is equal to 20 and b is equal to 3. So now a and b are any two positive integers, then there exist two more positive integers q and r, he is saying. So how student? By dividing a with b. I am dividing a with b student, 20. So see how many times it goes. So 3 6 are 18 student. So 3 6 are 18. 20 divided by 20 minus 18 is 2. 20 minus 18 is 2. So if we divide 20 by 3, these two are the two positive integers. Then upon dividing 20 divided by 3, so we are getting two more positive integers. So upon dividing 20 divided by 3, so we are getting two more positive integers q and r. So this 6 is called the q, student, that is quotient, or this 2 is called the remainder, it is denoted by small r. So these two are the two more integers. By dividing 20 by 3, we get two more positive integers q and r, satisfying the condition a is equal to b into q plus r. So simply, student, first, what is the division rule? Dividend is equal to, we know dividend is equal to divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder, divisor into quotient plus remainder. So student, this is the division rule. So in the same way here, dividend is 20, student, dividend is what here? 20 is equal to, divisor is 3 into quotient is 6 plus remainder is 2, student. So 20 is equal to 3 into 6 plus 2. So in the same way, so Euclid's division lemma is 20 is equal to what, student? A here, 20 is equal to what? 3 equal to what, student? B into 6 is what? Q plus 2 is what? R. So A is equal to B into Q plus R. So this is Euclid's division lemma, student. It is based on the division rule. So A is equal to B into Q plus R. But there is a condition for R. So student, if you divide 20 by 3, what are the possible values for remainder? So either remainder may be 0 or 1 or 2. These three are the possible values for the remainder. So when we get 0, if 20 is exactly divisible by 3, then we get 0. Suppose if there is 21, so 3 sevens are 21, then remainder is 0. If this 3, if A is exactly divisible by 3, so if B divides A, then R is equal to 0, we have written, student. So otherwise the remainders are 1 and 2. So here, that is, we can write here 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. This is the condition, student, for the remainder. So this condition is for remainder. When the remainder is equal to 0, when the remainder is equal to 0, when we say the remainder is 0, if B exactly divides A, then the remainder is 0. This is the condition, student. So the Euclid's division lemma based on the division rule. Just it is a division rule, and it is based, Euclid's division lemma is based on the division rule, student. So once again, see here what is the statement. If A and B are any two positive integers, then there exist two more positive integers Q and R such that A is equal to B into Q plus R. 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. If B divides A, R is equal to 0, otherwise R lies in between 0 and B. So this is Euclid's division lemma, student. We use to find this Euclid's division lemma is used to find the HCF or GCD of any two positive integers. So in exercise 1.1 we have to solve, student, using this Euclid's division algorithm. You have to find the HCF of given two positive integers. Student, we will meet in the next class to find the a problem to find the HCF of given two positive integers. That's all today's class, student. Student, if you are watching first time my video, subscribe my channel. I am uploading chapter wise, exercise wise each problem, and I am explaining and uploading the videos, student. Follow my videos and share to your friends. That's all today's class, student.